Here are the 10 most beautiful waterfalls in the world. Number 10. Seljalandsfoss in Iceland. Number 9. Bangeokdishan Falls on the border of Vietnam and China. Number 8. Kayator Falls in Guyana. Number 7. Yosemite Falls in the United States. Number 6. Gullfoss, another stunning waterfall in Iceland. Number 5. The Plitvice Waterfalls in Croatia. Number 4. The powerful Niagara Falls, shared by Canada and the USA. Number 3. The magnificent Iguazu Falls, bordering Brazil and Argentina. Number 2. The breathtaking Victoria Falls, located between Zambia and Zimbabwe. And finally, at number 1, Angel Falls in Venezuela, the tallest waterfall on Earth. Nature still holds so many stories for us to discover.